Today I want to talk to you about the alphabet. I'm sure you've been practicing your ABCs, but today we're going to talk about the phonetic sounds. We're going to go through the first half of the alphabet. Are you ready? A, apple. A, apple. B, bird. B, bird. K, cat. Cat. D, dog. D, dog. E, earth. E, earth. F, fox. F, fox. G, gumball. G, gumball. Heart. Heart. This one can be a little tricky. For this, it's ice cream. Ice cream. I can also sound like igloo. Igloo. Jump. Jump. Kite. Kite. Leaf. Leaf. Mushroom. Mushroom. Great job, friends. Thank you for listening.